I've made a new update to my guide for focused management. Hi, my name is Christian Wozabal. I support the textile service industry with management training, know-how in Textile Service 4.0 and practical hints that you can implement right away. So this is really practical and it's a free guide. So you can download it in the link in the video description. You will also subscribe to my newsletter, but don't worry, I will not spam you with many emails. I'm always only sending emails that make a contribution to the industry. And the idea with this guide is that it's for entrepreneurs, it's for executives, in order to evaluate the situation where we are in and take the next steps. It's basically a framework that I got from Malik, and it's about 6 viable KPIs. Basically, all of these KPIs are necessary for a successful business. It's the market success or customer satisfaction, it's employees, it's innovation, it's productivity, it's cash flow, and it's liquidity. And if you drop one of these balls, you're done. And basically, the idea is to make a guide, especially for the commercial laundries, for textile rental industry, to help you out in this current situation. And yeah, why right now? We have some challenges, to say it mildly. We face inflation, we face labor shortages, we face a very uncertain environment, and we face higher costs and uncertainties with financing the operation. So in order to be successful in this environment, you need different skills than in the past 30 years. And I think it's very important that you be mindful in the general things of management. And so this guide is, on the one hand, an evaluation. So you have here a guide to evaluate your 6 KPIs with green, yellow, and red. And then you can read some recommendations for customer satisfaction, for employees, for profitability or productivity, for innovation, cash flow, and liquidity. Of course, it's not a comprehensive list, but it's a list that of recommendations that at least you should consider. And the basic idea is that you make an assessment, and that with this assessment you focus on different topics, and then take just 1 or 2 recommendations on this topic and implement it fast within 4 weeks. And when you do it in 4 weeks, then you can set the next goal and the next objective after you have evaluated the 6 KPIs again in the next 4 weeks or 6 weeks to come. And these are called sprints. And with this method, you can make a change very rapidly. And yeah, that's basically the idea. Therefore, it's also a guideline for focused management, to stay focused right now and to focus on these things that are important. And one of the most important things, I would guess, is liquidity right now, because we will face much tighter financial conditions. And I think they will become even more tighter than now. And therefore, it's really important to take the right steps. And yeah, there will also be a free course on YouTube and on my company website for these topics in the next few days and weeks. And I will also start a member area. So subscribe to the channel and to the newsletter, and we'll see us then. Bye-bye.